guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I got myself some Christmas presents. This happened in the past week. I pretty much ordered 2 things and I haven't seen them. Well, I picked into 1 item and 1 I left for you guys to see, so we can both see at the same time. But yeah, I called some sales associate. I don't call them mine because I don't really buy often from them, but I did buy from them in the past, and they give me the, like, you know, card and something, and I just kind of call and ask because there's just no Chanel boutique around me. So I'm kind of missing on the, you know, some of the new releases or things that I really want. So anyway, you guys, this is the item that, which one should I do first? Maybe we should do this one first. So this is something that when I saw it, because I kind of go on the Chanel website and I kind of like to see what they have, what new things are coming, and you know, things like that. And I saw this and I was like, should I get it? Should I get it? Is it still available? Because you guys know it's like pretty much impossible to get some of the pieces. But anyway, here's the box. So let's just do it, you guys. Let's just take a look together. I'm just gonna undo the ribbon. This is like pretty matte, you know, Chanel box. And let's open this up. All right, there's some tissue paper. Okay. Look at this, you guys. This is so pretty. She did put in the dust bag right in here, but she didn't put in a dust bag. That's weird. And there is also like what is it, like an information kind of booklet, little cards, and yeah, there's just a tissue paper. So you guys, this is my brand new O case, small case. I think she said now they call them small cases or mini cases, something like that. This is from the newest 2019, I believe she said, cruise collection. They have this beautiful like Tiffany color, but you know, the pink is kind of my thing. I just love those, you know, kind of like a pastel color. And it comes with this very kind of light champagne hardware, if you can see. There we go. Maybe it's not, the hardware is not as light as my other one. I brought my other one, you guys, so we can compare. How beautiful is this? It just makes me so happy. So this one still have a little sticker, protective sticker on top, and mine obviously doesn't. These are so nice, you guys. I mean, like, it's just like, I don't want to go for like boring black and, you know, all this. It's just like the colors just makes me happy. So this is the new O case. Let's see, this is how it presents inside. So there's some tissue paper, and it's a 26 series. So there's the authenticity card, and I guess this is the in case you were looking for it, yeah, it's 19C, so it's the 2019 cruise collection. And the price of this baby, you guys, they went up in price. It's $550. The yellow one I bought in March and I paid $475. So as you can see, it went up in price. So yeah, they're both in the caviar leather. All right, and it's like it's the same as the yellow one, you guys. It's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's very kind of shiny caviar leather. It's really pretty. So yeah, how exciting. And it's all, let's see, it says made in Italy. Not sure if you will be able to tell, but it's right there. And as you can see, it's all lined in kind of like cloth material. And if you were wondering, the number is under here, under the tab. There we go. So, oh my god, now I'm gonna have like a little collection. This is so cute. I love it so much, you guys. What do you think? That is so cute. So I'm very happy. Now I have like double trouble. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. So yeah, they have this teal kind of color, like a Tiffany blue. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And that kind of like, I would call it like, it's actually pretty, looks pretty true to color on the, when I'm looking at the viewfinder. It's like a bubblegum pink, you guys. I know they have some mini in that size as well. Just gorgeous. Alright guys, the next item. This is something that I wanted so bad and I have never seen it in person. So when I've learned that it's available for purchase, I was like, I have to do it. So because I haven't seen it before, you guys, I did undo everything. I had the ribbon somewhere. Yeah, I folded nicely. So you guys, this is another spoiler. By the way, those two things are my Christmas gifts from myself to myself. You know, I mean, I like to treat myself and I don't want to ask anybody. You know, if there's something available, you just have to jump on it, right? You guys, like that cruise collection or the next item that I'm gonna show you, like those things just don't sit, you know, at the store unless there's some, unless you get very lucky. So here it is. Again, comes with the little booklet here at the bottom of the box. This is the dust bag, and the item that I've got my hand on is dum da da da. So this is, you guys, a cosmetic pouch. They also call it a case on the website, but I think it's technically like a cosmetic case, cosmetic pouch. As you can see, it's a lot thicker than the O case, so you can fit a lot more things in it. And this is in the kind of, I think on the camera it shows a little bit lighter red. It's in reality is more, this is the true color. Now that I took it out a little bit further, this is more like a raspberry red, as you can see. If I get closer, it looks a lot lighter, but this is more like a true color. So again, it comes with this very light kind of gold hardware. Again, there's a protective sticker on it, and the zipper pull is the same as on the O case. And let me take the papers out. This is how it looks inside, you guys. This reminds me of a jacket, like a winter jacket, you know, one of those materials. Those are like, it's very kind of poofy, cushiony, and there's a little pocket in here, and as you can see, there is a lot of room in this case. Like, you can fit a lot of stuff. It's, again, this one was made in Italy as the other one. Oh my god, it's so nice, it's so soft. It is the not the lambskin, it is a caviar leather, as you guys can probably tell. It's they do have it, I mean, it comes in lambskin, but I guess it's, again, whatever it's available, you just get whatever it's available. This one is also, here's the authenticity card, 26 series, and what's the name of it? It's just, yeah, doesn't really says anything. There's just no name on it. And the price for this, you guys, there's no price on the sticker. I think it was $750. I did saw on the line, online, this particular cosmetic case in, again, this Tiffany blue color, but it's just like nowhere available. Maybe somewhere in Europe. You know, it's funny, like they kind of distributed those items all over the world, and if you don't have like a good associate who will like call you and tell you, hey, you know, I have this and this and you can jump on it, I feel like there's just no way you can get it. So, person like me, I have no chance of getting it. Although I feel pretty lucky, you know, getting the other piece and this as well. But I feel like it was just a luck, you guys. So, anyway, what do you think? I am so happy. So this is my new little duo. So I'm going to, by the way, this is the size. I brought my mini pochette. This is pretty much the size of the mini pochette, if you are guys wondering, because I know sometimes it's hard to see, you know, when you see the video, it's hard to imagine the size, but look at this. Those are very, very comparable, those two. And even like the height, see, everything is pretty much... I think you can probably fit a little bit more in here than in mini pochette, but I might be wrong. They're both very soft, so yeah, just wanted to show you the size so you can have an idea. And the mini pochette and this, obviously mini pochette is slightly bigger, and of course you can fit more because this is very thin. So yeah. So what do you guys think? This is so beautiful. Like I said, those are the gifts from myself to myself for Christmas, so I'm just starting to celebrate. And I think I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna wait till Christmas because it's, yeah, once I unpack it, once I see it, like, I have to use it right away. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about my new goodies. And let me know if you buy yourself gifts as well, because I feel like every woman does it. Like, why not? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions, and maybe you have a good associate who, and if you would like to share her or his you know, number with me, and if that's the person that would like to help me, you know, with my future purchases, please let me know. I mean, I'll leave my email down below. You can just shoot me an email or something, you know, or maybe you are the sales associate. I would like to know as well. And I'm also looking for someone, Louis Vuitton, also sales associate. I do have one lady in Ohio, but she's pretty slow. Let me put it this way. I like to, you know, if there's something, just answer my text, like just do it quickly. I just hate waiting for people too long. So anyway, thank you so much for watching again, because now I'm rambling. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.